Ready to unlock a world of secure online transactions? Let's dive into how to create your very own PayPal account. First, head over to the PayPal website. You'll see a sign up button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to start the registration process. Now, you'll be asked to choose between a personal account and a business account. For most people looking to shop online or send money to friends and family, a personal account is the right choice. Select personal account and click next. Next, enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure it's an email you actively use, as PayPal will send important notifications there. Then, create a strong and secure password. Aim for a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click next once you've filled out both fields. Now, you will need to provide your personal information, such as your first name, last name, date of birth, and address. Ensure all details are accurate, as this information may be used for verification purposes. Enter your mobile number and click agree and create account. You might encounter a security check at this point, like a CAPTCHA. To prove you're not a robot, follow the instructions provided to pass this check. Great, you've successfully created your account. However, there's one crucial step left: confirming your email address. Check your inbox for an email from PayPal. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This verifies that the email address you provided belongs to you and activates your PayPal account. After clicking the confirmation link, you'll be redirected back to the PayPal website. Here, you can link a bank account or credit card to your account. For easy and secure transactions, you can do this later if you prefer. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your PayPal account. You are now ready to start transacting online with confidence. Don't forget to explore the settings to customize your account and enhance its security.